Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And, well, we have, of course, a new definition of what a PC will be for the future. And now we're calling them AI PCs, or computers that have a neural processing unit. So there's not a lot of them yet on the market, but they are going to grow according to Canalys. So they actually issued these predictions about PCs with AI. So AI-capable PCs adoption curve here shows that today it's early adopters. So 2024, 19% of the PCs will be with AI capabilities. And as the PC sales continue, will be growing to 37% in 2025. And that makes it mainstream. As they say, that when you reach that level, it becomes mainstream. A lot of computers will now be with NPUs, or neural processing units. By 2026, 53%, and 2027, 60%. What they're saying is that by 2030, pretty much every PC sold will be AI capable. So this is the prediction. This shows that there will be a lot of AI-capable computers in the near future. I think the innovation of AI will start mostly when we get to the first Windows version that really is an AI version, and that we know is 24H2. It will contain, of course, AI Explorer, which is basically a sort of assistant using artificial intelligence to scan everything you do, and with that purpose will be able to help you with everything in your PC. That will happen on board with the NPU, the neural processing unit, and it will apparently really simplify a lot of our tasks. I did read a little bit more about it, and it does look promising and interesting. We're still in the beginning of AI, and I think we don't really see yet any benefits, simply because we don't really have anything powerful that does AI the right way, and I think eventually we'll probably see that. So early adopters is 2024, so some of you will be in there, and as we move through 2030, pretty much every PC sold will be with NPUs and, of course, AI capable. I wouldn't be surprised at the minimum requirement of maybe a next Windows, say Windows 12, could actually say, well, Windows 12 will be only for AI capable machines. So only machines would have NPUs might be what Windows 12 could be. So we'll see, of course, in the near future. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.